So whatever we have done in the last lecture, that is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask, then we can proceed. So whatever numerical we have done in the last lecture, you have done, completed, Nitish,
Yes, sir.
regarding back bearing and reduced bearing, whole circle bearing. So today we are going to start the computation of angles. So in this case, we are going to calculate the angles. It may be an interior angle or exterior angle. Okay, included angle or excluded angle. So in this case, suppose we are going to kind of or make a plan, topographic map of a particular area, then we will divide the whole area into the closed towers. Okay, so traverse, you have already see what is the shape of traverse. It will be like this. Okay, so it will be having 5 points. Okay, you can see A, B, C, D, E, and A. So in this case, the first point is meeting at a last point. Okay, this is a closed traverse. All the sides of this traverse is closed. So divide the whole area into this type of traverse. Then we will find out the angles. Okay, suppose we are having a bearing of forebearing and back bearing of these points, then we can find the angles. If we are having a bearing of line AB and AE, then we can find out the interior angle in between these two. So how we will calculate? Let's see. So in this case, you can read second point. The forebearing of one line and back bearing of other line is measured as we discussed earlier. So the forebearing is whatever we have done in the progress of the survey work or in a clockwise direction, that will be a forebearing. And if we see the previous point or back point, that will be your back bearing. So there should be a difference between forebearing and back bearing 180 degree. If the difference between these two is more than, then it may be a wrong bearing. So then you have to find out the interior angle from these two, interior or exterior angles, depending on the whatever station you are standing and fixing the compass at that particular point. In this case, you can see, suppose there are 5 lines. If we are having 5 points, then there will be a 5 lines: A, B, B, C, C, D, and D, E, and then last is E, A. So the forebearing of these 5 lines are already given in this table. You can see. So we are going to calculate the angle from these forebearing. So again, we will use the same formula as we used in the last. So back bearing is equal to forebearing plus minus 180 degree. So plus sign is used when theta is less than 180 degree. Minus sign is used when theta is more than 180 degree. Okay, is it clear? So first of all, AB, that is 65 degree. And the back bearing is 245 degree. In the same case, all the readings are given, forebearing and back bearing. So the 245 degree, you can see here, D is interior angle, 245 degree. EA, that is 330 degree, and what will be your angle is 150 degree. You can see in this picture, computation of angles by means of this formula. So is it clear? You know what how this third column will come. Nitish,
Yes, sir.
so how 245 degrees came? How this back bearing value is came to 45 degree? Both of you.
सर नहीं समझे
इसमें
आप क्या
प्लस
पूछ
का
रहे
रहा
हैं?
ना सर, वो है ना सर,
245 कैसे है?
फोर बैंक सर 65 है ना, तो सर
यस,
इसमें हमने अगर लेस देन हो ना 180 फोर बैंक, तो सर उसमें प्लस 180 करते हैं, तो सर इसमें बैक बेरिंग की वजह से 245 आ गया।
okay. So first is 65 degree. 65 degree means which is less than 180 degree. You
लेस
can
देन
see
180।
यस
third
सर, यस सर।
third line. That's why we are using plus sign. It means the formula will be back bearing is equal to forebearing plus 180 degree. So forebearing is 65 degree plus 180 degree. It will come 245 degree. Okay. Now
ओके
clear.
सर।
Now tell me second one, 125 degree. So what will be the formula for this?
सर सेम ही।
Same.
यस सर।
सर
Okay. And the third one, CD.
सर ये तो मतलब कि फोर बेरिंग मोर देन 180 है, तो सर इसमें माइनस का साइन लगेगा, माइनस 180।
And DE.
फिर इसमें भी सर माइनस लगेगा, माइनस 180, उससे नीचे माइनस
Last
180।
one, EA.
ये सर ठीक, इसमें ये लगेगा माइनस 180।
So you can write these angles in this way. Like this angle A is, so what will be the angle 150 minus 65? So 150 is, what is 150? 150, 245, 305. What is this?
सर बैक बेरिंग।
Yes. So we have already given forebearing. From forebearing we calculate the back bearing. Okay, now we have forebearing and back bearing. From these two we will find the angles, included angles. Okay, the formula of angles is back bearing minus forebearing. That will be your angle. So in this first case, angle A. So you can see in this big EA is 150 back bearing. Okay, and 65 degree minus, that will be your 85. Next is 245 minus 125. Then 305 minus 200. Okay, in this way you can find the included angles. Clear? Any doubt in this?
नो सर।
Atul?
नो सर।
दूसरा कौन है? नीतीश?
नो सर।
So it's in the next line, in this case, the forebearing is given with the quadrants names. So in the last numerical we have done, the quadrant's name is not given. You can see in this. Forebearing is without quadrant. So in this case, the quadrants are given, yeah, like north 5530 east. Okay, first of all we have to change into back bearing. Then we have to find out the angles as we find out earlier. So how we will change into back bearing? Atul? What will be the procedure to change forebearing into back bearing with quadrants? Atul, Nitish,
Sir,
yes. Yes, in the last
Sure.
lecture we have done numerical on this.
Yes, sir.
So tell me.
Sir, can you repeat again? क्या पूछा था आपने क्वेश्चन? वो ध्यान नहीं दिया मैंने.
So we have to change the forebearing into back bearing. Okay. So
Sir,
what will with the quadrant?
with quadrants.
So in this numerical
okay.
quadrants are given with the forebearing values.
सर ये फर्स्ट जो नॉर्थ 55 डिग्री है टू 30 डिग्री ईस्ट, ये साउथ में ये हो जाए एक्सचेंज हो जाएगा. ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में आता है.
Then second,
एंड सेकेंड भी फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, यानी 0 to 90 फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट सर, एंड
so
90 to 80 सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट.
it's not basis on a first quadrant, second, third, fourth. It's only to change the quadrant. So if there is a north, then it will be changed into south. If it is east, then
यस
it
सर.
will change into west. The thing is, so
यस
you
सर.
can see all these things. South is changed to north, east is changes to west. If there is a west,
बेस्ट.
then
यस.
it will be a east. So you can see the first line as I already indicate. The backbearing of a line can be obtained by interchanging the north and south at the same time, east and west. Okay,
ओके सर.
so this is the representation of bearing. So in this case, we will find the angle. So back bearing and forebearing is already given. So we will find the angles. So in this case, we are adding back bearing and forebearing due to quadrant system. 55 degree and 63 degree. You can see. Then 63 degree and 70 degree. You can also see the figure above. It will more clear. 70 degree plus 45 degree. Is it clear?
यस सर.
So in the next case, so there are four sides are given, forebearing is given, back bearing is given. With the quadrant, calculate the interior angle of the traverse. So we have to find out the interior angles. So you can see first of all, forebearing plus back bearing, we can deduct from 180 degree. Then you will get the angle A. In the same case, angle B, C or D. So there is a check sum of interior angle 2n minus 4 right angle. So n is the number of sides. So whatever you have calculated the interior angle, then there the sum of these angles should be equal to the 2n minus 4 right angles. This is a check. If the angle sum is not equal to this value, then it may be you have measured any wrong angle. So then you can check again and repeat the process. The value should be same as we get from the sum of interior angle 2n minus 4 right angles. Is it clear?